Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to lock or protect Excel sheet with password. Okay, so if you want to protect your Excel sheet so no one can add anything or edit anything on your sheet. Okay, so what you have to do, if anyone want to edit anything, so he have to or they have to enter the password, okay, which you have created. Then they can edit anything or delete anything from the sheet. Okay, so what you have to do to protect the sheet, here you will see review option. Okay, now you have to click on it, and then here you will see protect sheet option. Okay, now you have to click on it, then you have to create a password here. Okay, and verify that password. Then here you will see select log cell select, means all these options you can allow your users to do without using password. Okay, so if you want that all the users can edit anything, so they can, you have to just click on this sort anything, click on this delete column, click on this, and then you can click on OK. Okay, so if I want to edit anything now, here you will see it will ask for password. Okay, or you have to just go to unprotect the sheet, then you have to enter the password, so you anyone can enter the anything or edit anything. So like this you can protect your Excel sheet with password. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.